Complementary angles are two angles whose angles measured add up to 90. Okay. And they tell you that the ratio of the measure of the two complementary angles is 4 to 5. Then what are the measures of the angles? So this sounds a bit different because typically, if you're trying to find the missing angle, you're given one of the angles at least. We're not given either. We're just given that, right? It's not 1 to 1. If this is size 4, if this was 4, this would be 5. But this is clearly not 4 degrees. What you say is, well, let's let that be 4 times a number. And if you make this angle here 5 times that same number, then their ratio will be 4 to 5. The nice thing about making them 4x and 5x is that we can add them now and make that equal to 90 and solve for x. Okay, note the advantage here of using 4x and 5x rather than keeping the ratio 4 to 5. So from here, we can say 9x is equal to 90, so x is equal to 10, meaning the angles are 40 degrees and 50 degrees. This is not the only way to do it though. We could have said, okay, we know that this angle here, so let's let this angle be A, for example, right? A over 90 should equal to 4 out of 9. Okay, set up a proportion and say A is then 4 over 9 times by 90, multiply both sides by 90 to give you also 40. Similarly, if I call this one B, B over 90 should equal to 5 over 9. Again, this is a proportion equation, right? So B then is equal to 5 over 9 times by 90, also giving you that 50. There's two separate methods. One setting up a proportion equation, one setting up a linear straight equation. You can choose. I prefer this one, but really just a slight preference though.